see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so tell me the meaning here.
It's the music. Ma'am, basically it means basically you have to
The
face what you have done.
consequences?
Consequences.
Yeah.
Yes. So basically, face the consequences now. Generally used for unpleasant consequences.
Yeah.
Right. So if you do not complete this project on time, you'll have to face the music. Pink slip.
Layoff.
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 Notice of termination and not a resignation. Remember that.
Why a pink slip? Like,
यूज करते हैं पिंक स्लिप इट्स एन इडियम मतलब आई डोंट नो
मैम बहुत पहले से यूज कर रहे थे
हाँ।
पिंक स्लिप को, तो इसलिए वो वैसे ही रह गया टर्मिनेशन को पिंक
हाँ वो कभी प्रोबेबली आई टेल यू व्हाट क्या हुआ होगा, कभी किसी कंपनी ने पिंक कलर के चिट्स यूज किए होंगे तो वो फेमस हो गया। अभी तो इतना ये यूज नहीं होता, बट एक टाइम पे तो न्यूज़पेपर में आता था पिंक स्लिप्स वर शोन टू द एम्प्लॉइज। व्हाइट कॉलर वर्कर,
government employee, like a justice person.
a person who performs professional और डेस्क या एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव वर्क जो करते हैं बाबू लोग।
बेसिकली मैम द ऑफिसर्स वाले लोग,
हाँ।
बेसिकली द ब्लू कॉलर एंड द वाइट कॉलर जो बोलते हैं हम लोग।
हाँ ब्लू कॉलर।
What is blue collar?
जो blue collar is basically like the basically the cheap labor kind of a thing.
जो मैनुअल लेबर्स होते हैं ना।
हाँ 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 फैक्ट्री वर्कर, मैनुअल लेबर,
not in the formal sector basically.
हाँ। और अगर आप देखो तो एक्चुअली उनके कपड़े ब्लू होते हैं, ब्लू कलर की यूनिफॉर्म्स ही पहनते हैं, isn't it?
Yes ma'am. And depends.
अरे ये फ्रेज पता है एक्चुअली वहीं से आया है। टेक द रेड आई। Any guesses?
Take the red eye. Take what you have, what you are getting. I don't know. I mean, not very.
Is it like focusing, like something?
It's
Like eagle's eye, like a bird eye view type. Like take
I really like your answers. I really like your answers. मैं चाहती थी आप ऐसे आंसर दो।
Is it taking the late night flights?
Absolutely, taking a late night flight that arrives early in the morning.
Yeah, excellent.
So this is a common idiom used most of the times in your travel magazines या business magazines. बहुत यूज हुआ है ये।
मैंने खुद इतना बार लिया है, खुद ही मैंने गलत बोल दिया उसको।
Ma'am, is this in general for only flights or this
yes,
can be?
Yes, no, nothing else. ये particular idiom flights के लिए बना है।
Okay.
Back to the drawing board.
Ma'am, it means
Back
from the beginning.
Back from the beginning, ma'am. Something when we are researching or something, again, you know, get back and
Start
try to
again.
see everything. Yeah, start again.
Start again.
Start from the top.
हाँ, planning phase से start करना है। On the back burner.
एक second, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Next, ma'am.
On the back burner.
Also lesser priority.
Yes. So we say that you can stop working on that. The project has been put on the back burner. मतलब अभी उसको ना low priority में रख दिया है। तो that is what on the back burner means. हिंदी में इसका parallel होता है ठंडे बस्ते में डाल दिया।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ। और एक चीज और याद रखना, कभी-कभी जो आपके हिंदी वाले जो idioms वगैरह होते हैं ना, जरूरी नहीं है कि वो एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग इंग्लिश में हो, कभी-कभी अलग भी होता है, कभी-कभी सेम भी होता है। दिस इज अ वेरी, जो आज हम idioms में आपको करा रही हूँ ना, उसमें से ज्यादातर idioms आपके ऑफिशियल यूज वाले हैं। Get the ball rolling या set the ball rolling.
Basically, it means
The
let's
work
get the work started, or you know, let's get
keep
the things done.
keep the project going up.
Yeah, going. Yeah.
या तो set the ball rolling मतलब set an activity into motion, make a start, या फिर बस let things happen, चलने दो जैसे चल रहा है, ठीक है? So the government has allotted $12 million to get the ball rolling after the pandemic. मतलब let things move, get
Basically,
things
ma'am,
going.
yeah, investment, the initial investment.
हाँ. Take the bull by the horns.
Facing something head on.
Yes, yes. To deal with the direct situation in a very direct way. मतलब एकदम head on face किया.
Next.
Ahead of the curve. Like हम कहते हैं ना, being ahead of the curve.
Ahead of its time.
I would say, ma'am, being ahead of a situation or pehले
Staying ahead of,
farsightedness
yeah,
can-
Yeah.
yeah.
Like
yeah, farsightedness kind of a thing. Yeah.
आप कह सकते हो staying ahead of current trends, staying ahead of competition.
Yeah, I'm
right?
looking the competition before itself, before it actually hits you,
Yes.
kind of a thing. So yeah.
So we are looking for new.
like Leonardo da Vinci was ahead of the curve.
Yes,
or
yes.
his curve.
इसको हम कभी कभी ऐसे बोलते हैं he was way ahead of the curve. मतलब जब हमें थोड़ा ज्यादा जैसे कहते हैं ना exaggerate करना होता है.
Yeah, ma'am, दोनों तरीके.
हाँ.
Hit the nail on the head. It means, ma'am, basically catching something or hitting something right on the spot, or you are seeing exactly
Catching the elephant in the room. Exactly what is supposed to be caught.
Ma'am, it's like find exactly the right answer.
Yeah, find exactly the right answer. तो इसको हम कहते हैं hitting the nail on the head. Okay. Okay. A hot potato.
Current topic.
Yes.
Something something very controversial or very hot, something very
Yes.
which is going
Something
on.
that's fuming now, ma'am.
It can be anything.
Yeah. Now you're making sense.
Yeah.
An issue mostly current which many people are talking about and which is usually disputed.
It can be anything, ma'am. That
Yeah.
it can be on religion, caste, anything.
हाँ, so basically एक ऐसा टॉपिक जिस पे आजकल बहुत ज्यादा कंट्रोवर्सी है, लोग बहुत बात करते हैं, ऐसा कुछ. ठीक है? Adding insult to injury.
जिले पे नमक छिड़कना.
हाँ.
Yeah, like
adding on to the basically putting salt into it, so something like that.
Yeah, to worsen an unfavorable situation already खराब है, तुम उसको और खराब कर रहे हो. हाँ, so adding insult to injury, I think it's pretty clear, this idiom.
Yes.
At the drop of a hat, when you say something.
Ma'am, it means immediately, as soon as you say something, you get it, basically.
Instantly, in a jiffy. So, for example, the thief stole my wallet at the drop of a hat. Ball is in your court.
It means now it's your game to play. You are at an advantage, kind of a thing.
Not advantage, but up to you to
It's
take
up
the
to
next.
you, basically.
क्योंकि इसमें कभी भी advantage. In fact, I'll tell you how I personally use this particular idiom is कि let's say there is another person, उसने कुछ किया, मतलब I want to get rid of it, that okay, I'm done, now the ball is in your court, अब तुम देख लो.
Yeah.
Right. So इसमें थोड़ा सा, I won't say negative or positive, but kind of sly या फिर let's say थोड़ा सा diplomatic kind of.
Something, ma'am, a slightly which is in your hand or slightly favors you, kind of a thing. Instead of being 50-50, it is
right. So basically, अगर दूसरा कुछ करता है तो वो मेरे फेवर में होगा, ऐसा टाइप का कोट है ये.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Barking up the wrong tree.
Ma'am, it means that kind of a displacement anger kind of a thing. I don't know. I mean, you're catching the wrong person.
You're approaching the wrong thing.
Wrong
yes,
thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
looking in the wrong place या फिर accusing the wrong person.
Wrong person. So
That's barking up the wrong tree. Okay. Burn the midnight oil.
hard work basically.
वो कड़ी मेहनत.
Working hard.
Working really hard, ma'am.
Yeah. So इसका जो actual meaning start हुआ था तो वो था to work late into the night. But अभी ये जो आपका phrase है ये हम generally hard work के लिए use कर लेते हैं. ठीक है?
Yes.
Okay.
Now, how would you form a sentence with this? Like, if you want to say someone is hardworking,
इसमें
he's burning the midnight oil to study for his finals.
So let's say if something like that, oh, the project is really good. I think you've been burning the midnight oil.
like दिन रात मेहनत करते हैं kind
हाँ
of.
हाँ हाँ. अब ये ऐसे यूज होने लग गया है.
हम लोग सब अभी burn the midnight oil ही कर रहे हैं ना, kind of a thing to clear this exam, for example.
I wish you are. I so wish you are. अब देखो लेकिन एक चीज मैं आपको बता दूं, बर्निंग द मिडनाइट ऑयल में रात को जो नेटफ्लिक्स पे सीरीज देखते हो वो नहीं काउंट होता.
नहीं मैं उसको नहीं काउंट कर रहा मैं.
No, मतलब I am just making it
I get it.
clear.
Yeah.
And sarcasm was intended.
Yeah, ma'am, I got that very well. Clear and loud, ma'am.
Yeah. So that was not sarcasm, then that was straightforward.
Yeah, that's true again. Yeah, ma'am. Next.
Costs an arm and a leg.
It's heavy, something
Huge prices to pay.
Yes.
Huge prices. Yeah,
something which is very expensive. हम कभी बोलते ना, yeah. So, that dress cost me an arm and a leg. मतलब वो dress बहुत महंगी थी.
And burn a hole in the pocket is something similar.
हाँ. Burn a hole in the pocket is something similar. It's similar, right? Ballpark number or figure? या आपके ऑफिसेस में, sorry?
A huge number.
No,
Approximate.
Yes, a very inaccurate या फिर rough estimate. और ये वाला जो आपका टर्म है ना, ये बहुत यूज होता है, ये वाला इडियम आपके कॉर्पोरेट में. ठीक है, कि burn ballpark figure. So basically अब your boss is gonna tell you a lot of times. So what is the ballpark figure you expect? या फिर कभी ना कोई इंटरव्यू में ही पूछ लेगा कि not your college placement, सब तो पैकेज पता ही होता है ना. Otherwise, अच्छा एक ballpark figure बताओ कि आप कितना एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो.
So if it's very inaccurate, why would you tell? Like,
very inaccurate इसलिए कि आप तो 20 लाख का पैकेज मांगोगे, हर कोई देगा थोड़ी.
वैसे भी तो आपको मैम हमें कहाँ मालूम होगा कि कितना क्या एस्टिमेट में वो पैकेज, आई मीन एक्चुअल एस्टिमेट क्या है फॉर द पैकेज, राइट?
आई टेल यू व्हाट, कॉलेज में तो कंपनीज आती हैं, पैकेज पहले से हमें पता होता है, राइट?
हाँ, दैट इज राइट.
ठीक है, उसके बाद व्हेन यू प्रोग्रेस इन योर करियर, देखो आपका पैकेज ऑलरेडी x का है, तो आप ये तो एक्सपेक्ट करोगे ना कम से कम मुझे 1.2x तो देंगे ही देंगे. तो आप एक्सपेक्टेशन में इतना तो फिर बता ही सकते हो ना आगे.
Yes, ma'am, as per current market standards, like.
हाँ. ये एक बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है कि इंटरव्यू में सैलरी पूछी जाती है, इसका क्या जवाब दें. चलो ये आ ही गया है तो बताओ क्या जवाब दोगे इसका, कि सैलरी कितनी लोगे?
Usually I go with the market standards.
Okay. और क्या ये लगता है कि ये बड़ा ही अनकंफर्टेबल क्वेश्चन है या नहीं है? देखो है तो I'll tell you what, ये मेरे पास बहुत सारी मैं और ट्रेनिंग्स लेती हूँ, उसमें कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनिंग्स में लोग मतलब पीपल विद 10 years of work experience मुझसे ये क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं. ठीक है, सो I'll tell you what, इस क्वेश्चन को आपको कैसे हैंडल करना है. आप इसमें ये बोलोगे कि भाई देखो पहले आपको पैकेज का आइडिया होता ही है, चाहे कंसल्टेंट हो, जॉब पोर्टल हो, एचआर कॉल करता है तो बताता ही है, राइट? ठीक है, उसके अलावा फिर भी बोलें कि वो जनरली आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा, हाउ मच हाइक डू यू एक्सपेक्ट? हाइक के टाइम पे तो आप बोल दो कि आई थिंक द मार्केट स्टैंडर्ड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर मार्केट इज 40 या कुछ भी, सो आई एम गुड विद 30-35, मतलब इस टाइप का आपको ना इसका घुमा फिरा के आंसर देना होता है। हम कभी भी ये नहीं बोलेंगे एक काम करो महीने का 2 लाख रुपए दे दो मैं खुश हूँ। मतलब इतना अपफ्रंट नहीं बोलते, थोड़ा सा तो देखो
घुमा फिरा
देना पड़ता है।
nice, you have to
हाँ,
be nice, so
yeah, yeah. Nicety is
politically
always
nice,
there.
politically correct,
Humble.
Yeah, humility, मतलब
humility, I get that one.
cutthroat.
Ma'am, extensive competition,
Net.
Yes,
extreme.
बहुत
extreme,
अच्छी।
मतलब
Extreme.
intense या फिर fierce competition. ठीक है।
Can it be used for a person like she has a cutthroat personality?
Not really, पता है cutthroat को ना generally हम competition में ही use करते हैं। I don't know, मतलब someone might use it, but इतना ये सही है नहीं actually.
It doesn't fit very, I don't know, it doesn't fit in a very, and I don't know, it may be correct, but then it's not usually used as you said for a
हाँ,
person.
it's not.
It's something, yeah, for competition or something like that itself. So
Right. So now I'm quickly gonna ask you some common confusables. Okay, इसमें easy वाले भी बहुत हैं, but कभी-कभी गलती हो जाती है। A lot, हाँ, कोई बात नहीं।
common
Right.
confusable, no?
Common confusables, हाँ।
Yes, ma'am.
ये तो पता ही होगा। A lot and a lot.
Yes, ma'am.
A lot is quantity, a lot is basically ठीक है, मतलब
Allot करना basic.
हाँ।
Allotment.
Adverse and averse.
Adverse is
Adverse.
difficulty, like extreme difficulty.
Adverse conditions, right?
Hmm.
और averse?
Averse is avoiding something.
हाँ, averse is basically you are not okay या फिर you are against something. ठीक है? तो basically adverse is adverse weather conditions वाला. She was averse to the idea of going to the college. मतलब she was not very happy with it. She was against the idea. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
AIRS airs and HEIRS airs.
Ek is, ma'am,
The new show airs every Monday, and she is the heir to my fortune.
Yes, absolutely. So air basically आपका हो गया वारिस. ठीक है? एक जो AIR आपने बोला वो आपने verb वाला बोला कि जो shows air होते हैं टीवी पे रेडियो पे, right?
और एक मैम air is the proudness, right?
Yes, yes. She has airs about herself, basically attitude.
I was also about to say that.
हाँ.
Yeah.
But वो ना बहुत कम used है तो ज्यादातर लोगों को वो meaning पता नहीं होता.
Yeah, ma'am.
But है वो भी.
उसके नाम what does as exactly mean?
So there are two meanings, right, ma'am? I think.
Right, right.
So one is the radio wala air, something that is airing on the show and all
Yeah.
that. And the other one is being too proud of yourself, your attitude. Basically, she has airs about yourself or whatever. जो भी है, Kritika बोलो, Kritika is such an airy person. I don't know. She has too
हाँ,
much
मतलब
of air
air is
about herself.
basically
Yeah.
yes, yes, that's right.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. AIL, ale and ALE, ale.
One is an ailment and another one is the ginger ale.
हाँ. AIL is to be ill, ailment, और ALE, ale is an alcoholic beverage. So basically ALE, ale का मतलब होता है alcoholic beverage. अब हम वो ginger ale वगैरह के साथ भी यूज करने लग गए हैं.
Yes. Capital is the capital city and Capitol is the specific capital के जो हम लोग बात कर रहे थे.
Yes, the actual building in which the government and
Capital.
legislature meets. और ये capital आपकी वो भी होती है money वाली capital investment.
Yeah.
Censor, censor and censure.
Previous one.
Ma'am, censor means to censor something or censor board kind of a thing.
To prohibit free expression.
Prohibit, yeah. Censor is the sense करने वाला, the digital or electric whatever.
हर चीज में जो
I
हर
guess.
smart device में जो sensors
Smart
होते हैं,
device
sensory
sensors
organs
होते
जो होते हैं.
Yeah, and censure means something in the print, like I'm censuring something kind of a thing. Yeah, in written form.
Yeah, rebuke or harsh criticism.
Yes. So,
That's right. So the reason we are doing this is, देखो कई बार questions आ जाते हैं इसमें कि मतलब 4 sentences है, उसमें common बीच में दिया हुआ है कि कौन सा सही है, A B करके given होगा, फिर आपको A B B C कुछ ऐसे identify करना होता है. In fact, I have an exercise. I'll try doing it. Cite, cite, and cite.
First site is for,
Citing.
I guess, citation.
Yeah.
Second site is ma'am the
Second
site
site is heritage.
construction site,
Like,
construction site or whatever, and that's an SI. Last one site is to like seat, to see or
Vision.
something, view, vision, something like
First is to quote or mention. Second is a place, and third is feel.
that.
Okay.
Yes.
Course and course.
One course is ma'am the something, it's
pour sand or something.
for sand or something like that, and the other course is
Like she's doing history honors course and she wants a full course meal.
किसी का नेटवर्क का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा
So
है.
basically, COARCE course का मतलब होता है वो coarse grains वाला, rough,
Rough, yeah.
Texture or something.
है ना? ठीक है, fair enough. ठीक है, और दूसरा COURSE course,
वो मैम स्टडी कोर्स, any
हाँ,
course,
course of या फिर course of action.
studying some course or whatever. So
हाँ. Okay, अब ये बताओ, complement EMENT and IMENT. पहले EMENT बताओ.
complement is something which goes together, I guess. Yeah, and compliment is something when I compliment someone, you're looking good today or something like that.
Praise,
Appreciate.
Praise, yeah.
हाँ, praise, appreciate, right? So that's
Yes.
expressing a compliment. और पहले वाला, you guys compliment each other. मतलब make each other complete.
Yeah,
या
go
फिर
along with each
add,
other.
yeah,
hand
go
in hand.
along,
Yeah,
add something to the other thing.
yeah. Complete each other kind of a thing.
हाँ. Concurrent and consecutive.
Concurrent and consecutive. Okay. Concurrent.
I think साथ साथ.
हाँ हाँ, point of concurrency होता है geometry में. Existing, happening or done at the same time. That's concurrent. Consecutive.
One after the
Continuously,
other.
One after the other, ma'am. Like this is
Yes.
two consecutive.
Yeah, 5 consecutive months. Confirm and confirm. FIRM and FORM.
Confirm is the one to confirm as in to
Confirm is like to accept, ma'am. And
to basically say RSVP kind of a thing. And
Yeah.
And conform is to, fit
Agree to
into the
comply.
standards.
to adhere, to comply. Yeah.
Yes, that's right. Congenial and congenital.
And last was confirm and conform, no ma'am?
Yes, it was.
form and form.
And this, yes, next one. Next one, please.
Congenial and congenital.
Okay.
पहले congenial बताओ. Miscongeniality सुना है? हर ब्यूटी पेजेंट में होता है.
Something like agreeable, suitable, or pleasing.
Yes,
in nature.
agreeable, suitable, pleasant, pleasing. That's congenial. Congenital. Congenital disease होता है.
Yes, ma'am. Something from your parents or genes.
Present from the time of birth. Continual and continuous. Continuous तो I'm sure all of you know. Continual का meaning बताओ. बताओ.
Yes. Something of regular or a frequent recurrence, often repeated, something like that. Or
Yes.
happening without interruption.
I would say you are partly correct. Because
Something frequent.
yes, something which happens without interruption या फिर let's say something which is being repeated. ठीक है, but continuous तो आपका वो होता है ना कि बिल्कुल बस चलता ही जा रहा है.
Hmm.
बट कंटिन्यूअल हम तब बोलते हैं जब बीच में प्रोबेबली लेट्स से बार बार हो रहा है बट विद ब्रेक्स भी हो रहा है तो हम कंटिन्यूअल यूज करना प्रेफर करते हैं. ओके.
So it can be like on and off, ma'am. Continuous.
हाँ, कंटिन्यूअल इज ऑन एंड ऑफ बट हो रहा है.
हाँ.
एडवाइस एंड एडवाइस.
One advice is ma'am where actually इसमें तो one advice is where we actually I'm trying to give you a
You're giving
suggestion
some
kind of a
guidance
thing,
or something.
guidance or yeah something like that.
तो फिर दूसरा क्या है?
Ma'am, I think one of them is a noun and one of them is a verb.
It's like an
Yes, you're
adjective
right.
or something.
Yes, you're right. So basically, ADVICE is noun. You are given a piece of advice, but you are advised to take rest. Second one is a verb. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So ये difference है, बाकी इसमें और कोई difference नहीं है. ठीक है कि किस type की advice है.
It's just ma'am depends on how we use it in the sentence.
हाँ,
So,
right. No, noun or verb. ये तो पता ही होगा. I just hope इसमें कोई गलती ना करे. ITS and IT apostrophe S.
Move forward.
Sorry. First one is a pronoun it's, and second one is it is का contraction. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Classic and classical.
something ma'am classic means something that
And
has been there a lot. I mean
हाँ, standard या फिर of fine
standard,
quality.
of
Like
Something of
classic
ancient will be
case.
put in a classic.
yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Something like classic case of let's say classic case of honesty.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And classical?
Well, it's a genre basically, kind of a thing. Yeah. Classical.
Classical basically वो जो आपका होता है ना, classical dance हो गया, classical
It's like a
song हो गया.
dance form, a genre of music kind of a thing, or dance or whatever. So,
I would not say it's to do only with music or something, but classic का meaning आपका होता है कि relating to ancient standards or styles.
yeah, man, that is I know. I'm talking the second one, man, the classic.
हाँ, second वाला ही मैं बोल रही हूँ.
Okay.
Relating to ancient standards or styles or traditions. That's classical.
Okay.
For example, classical mythology भी होती है, classical ballet, classical dance जो हम बोलते हैं इतने सारे जो हमारे होते हैं कथक, कुचिपुड़ी and all. Classical song भी होता है. Amoral and immoral.
Immoral is something that doesn't fade away or doesn't die forever, basically. Amoral is something that isn't morally nice.
See, immoral is against morals.
Against morality, ma'am.
हाँ,
And immoral, I think, ma'am, is not involving something which doesn't involve any questions of right or wrong. So,
right. So immoral is basically against morals or let's say not conforming to accepted standards of morals. And amoral is no morals at all. मतलब है ही नहीं moral sense जाओ. मतलब ठीक खत्म. अगर आपको याद हो तो similarly एक apathy word होता है. Sympathy is similar feeling. Apathy is feeling no feelings at all.
no feeling like
Right. So वो a वाला जो यहाँ पे prefix है वो use हुआ है.
yeah, yes.
And can you just repeat, ma'am?
So I was saying amoral is no morals at all. Similarly, you have sympathy. Sympathy is similar feeling. Antipathy, you have anti, so feeling against someone. Apathy is no feelings at all.
The forever wala aspect, how is that spelled? How is
कौन सा?
immoral? Like vampires are immoral.
Vampires are?
That is
Immortals.
That's
Okay,
immortal.
sorry. Thanks.
Immortal है. वही सोच रही थी वैम्पायर्स के साथ मोरालिटी कब से रिलेट होने लगी।
वो तो मैम ए मॉडल सबसे पहले वाला होंगे
हाँ
मैम।
ओके, पेरिश और पैरिश?
Perish is something that goes bad or something, some perishable item.
Perishable items.
And parish is like the church,
Yeah,
the
priest,
parish.
parish priest.
Yeah, priest. Yeah.
हाँ, so basically you understand the meaning, something to do with Christianity.
हाँ, वही बात
Yes,
है.
ma'am.
चर्च वाला
Church
वर्ड है ये, चर्च वाला वर्ड है ये.
Yes, sir.
Personal and personal.
Personal means, ma'am, first one it
Something
means
that belongs
something
to
your
you, your
private,
belonging.
something out of your own.
Personal, private.
Personal. And personnel, that means personnel means basically आपके आमने सामने जैसे security and all that. If you're a
Yeah,
big
so basically let's say a set of people or a group of people employed at a place,
yeah.
है ना? Principal and principal.
One is the head of the
School
school,
wise,
and the other one are the morals,
Yeah,
The
like the
doctrine
principles.
both in
first
your
one
words,
is the
like
Choose
your
your
principal
own.
of the school or something, and second one principal is the
हाँ.
basically this there are 5 principles or something.
Yes. So first one is basically main या important principal of the school वाला. एक आपका principal वो principal amount भी होता है PTR by 100 simple interest वाला.
Yeah, ma'am.
और दूसरा वाला वो आपका principles वो morals वाला ही है.
मैम सो एग्जाम में अगर आता है तो क्वेश्चन के इसका मीनिंग पूछेंगे या फिर
नहीं, अभी बताती हूँ कैसे पूछेंगे. I have a few questions, बताती हूँ, रुको.
और मे बी सेंटेंस फॉर्म में कुछ लिखना है क्या मैम?
Just wait, मैं दिखाती हूँ तुम्हें, एक सेकंड रुको. Let me share the other one. First solve some questions, फिर आपको समझ में आएगा कैसे पूछते हैं. और इनफैक्ट ये तो देखो बहुत ही मतलब बेसिक लेवल का आपको मैं वर्ड्स बता रही हूँ. ये वाले जो आपको क्वेश्चंस है ना, ये वाले क्वेश्चंस जैट भी देता है. हाँ, जैट इसलिए देता है क्योंकि वो थोड़े ऑब्वियसली डिफिकल्ट वाले वर्ड्स से देते हैं.
यस मैम.
Yeah, just a second. Let me just look for that exercise. हाँ, got it. I'll share that. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
देखो अब इसमें आपका जो क्वेश्चन है वो ये है. In each question there are 5 sentences. Each sentence has a pair of words that are italicized and highlighted. From the italicized and highlighted words, select the most appropriate words. Right? So basically आप ये देखो, यहाँ पे italicized और highlight मैंने किए हुए नहीं है. यहाँ पे A और B है. Anita wore a beautiful brooch या brooch on the lapel of her jacket. So आपको एक select करना है, right? So ऐसे करते करते आपका एक सीक्वेंस बन जाएगा बी ए बी बी ए बी ए बी ए बी, राइट? इस टाइप से क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. सो प्लीज डू इट.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Let's wait for a few seconds. Okay, tell me.
Ma'am, C.
Okay,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
about others?
C, I think.
ठीक है. Anyone? Anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, this one is C. So did you get it? See, इसमें दो चीजें हैं. एक तो मुझे वर्ड्स का मीनिंग पता है नहीं पता. दूसरी गलती इसमें बच्चे क्या करते हैं, कई बार सेलेक्ट करते हुए ना वो बी में कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. डोंट एवर डू दैट. गलती हो सकती है. ये क्वेश्चन आपका टेस्ट और बाकी एग्जाम में भी आ सकता है. सबसे ज्यादा फॉन्ट इस क्वेश्चन का है दैट. ये क्वेश्चंस बहुत आते हैं दैट में. पर आप ये देखो, आपसे एक क्वेश्चन में 5 वर्ड मीनिंग्स पूछ रहे हैं. Do this.
Done.
Okay.
I'm done.
Okay. What's the answer?
Nani?
Okay. What about others?
I think it's C.
Okay. Okay. चलो इस क्वेश्चन को ना अब थोड़ा अलग तरीके से अटेम्प्ट करते हैं. पहले वो देखते हैं कि जो तो हमें पक्का से दिख ही रहे हैं कि ये तो है ही. ठीक है. तो फर्स्ट वाला करंट्स और करंट्स, आई थिंक इसमें हम क्लियरली कह सकते हैं तो बी होगा.
Yes, ma'am.
B, ma'am.
बट बहुत ज्यादा कुछ फायदा नहीं हुआ, सिर्फ डी ही एलिमिनेट हुआ.
Yes.
ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद है इफ यू एंगेज इन सच एक्सेप्शनल बिहेवियर या एक्सेप्शनेबल बिहेवियर. तो यहाँ एक्सेप्शनल होगा या एक्सेप्शनेबल होगा?
Exceptionable.
I think B.
हाँ. हाँ.
Maybe.
क्यों?
Oh, it's
Exceptional behavior means, ma'am, it's a
offensive,
real-
causing offense.
हाँ, क्योंकि एक्सेप्शनल अगर होगा तो एक्सेप्शनल तो
good-
बहुत अच्छा नहीं होता कि
Yeah,
मतलब
it's a positive.
एक्सेप्शनल
Like
टू गुड.
sentence mix is a negative है ना.
हाँ, दैट्स राइट. तो यहाँ पे कई बार ये गलती हो जाएगी कि समझ में ही नहीं आएगा डिफरेंस क्या है, क्योंकि एक्सेप्शनेबल इज बेसिकली समथिंग व्हिच कैन कॉज
Good.
ऑब्जेक्शन. तो बी हो गया. तो कौन सा एलिमिनेट हुआ हमारा?
E.
ई एलिमिनेट हो गया. डी और ई गया. ठीक है. तो अब आगे देखते हैं, थर्ड देखते हैं. He has the same capacity as an adult to consent to and not assent to, right?
Then तो
Yes, ma'am.
president करता है ना.
And what's the meaning of assent?
बताओ क्या मीनिंग होता है?
तो मैम sign of something जैसे president gives his assent to a bill.
हाँ, agree or approve of something.
Approve of something.
Assent to a proposal.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है।
Agree.
तो यहाँ पर हमारा क्या हो गया, ए हो गया। अब देखते हैं बी बी ए, चलो सी हट गया, अब हमारे पास 2 रह गए। अब हम फोर्थ कर लेते तो आंसर हो जाएगा।
Ma'am, in the third one, I think it should be assent because consent is giving. I mean, it's usually used with to give consent, right?
Ma'am, but in any medical procedure, to we
surgical
always give
treatment, you have to give
consent, na ma'am.
consent.
हाँ, कंसेंट ही तो देना होता है। यू
Consent form ही तो
कंसेंट टू
sign करवा रहे
समथिंग, कंसेंट टू समथिंग।
हो। Yeah, ma'am.
It's like seeking permission before that.
Yeah, seeking
That-
permission.
यस,
पहले सीक करते परमिशन, उसके बाद यू साइन ना, एंड साइनिंग इज द एसेंट। सो
या। अब फोर्थ अगर हम देखें तो मिनिस्टर इज obliged टू या compelled टू।
I think I'm
Obliged.
obliged because it's his duty to give
Obliged.
regular.
Yeah. Compelled is forced a little.
हाँ, तो obliged टू। तो ये ए हो गया। आई थिंक हमारा आंसर आ गया बी।
B.
ठीक है। अब हमारे पास बचा कि his analysis of the situation is far too genuine ही होगा ना। sanguine means confident and hopeful।
Yeah, like very
ऑप्टिमिस्टिक, टू
optimistic.
ऑप्टिमिस्टिक।
तो देखा जाए तो ए तो वैसे भी हमारे पास अब तो ऑप्शन ही नहीं था लास्ट वाला देखने का, राइट। ओके,
मैम तो मैम
हाँ
हाँ, सो पहले वाला थी, इट वाज द आंसर वाज आई थिंक
बी।
बी राइट।
हाँ, someone said B।
यस सर।
Yeah.
Ma'am, I think B.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, B.
Okay, everyone B।
I think it's B.
ओके, तो देख लेते हैं। हाँ, बी ही है। कॉस्टिक रिटॉर्ट, कॉस्टेड हम अभी हमने किया था इसका मीनिंग, राइट, पीछे। ठीक है, आई थिंक ये सबको मतलब आई यहाँ पर सबसे पहले तो आपको कॉस्टिक मिल जाएगा, तो बी मिल गया, पर एक ही एलिमिनेट हुआ। फिर आपका यहाँ पर फिफ्थ बहुत इजी था देखा जाए तो, पीलिंग एंड पीलिंग, राइट,
पीलिंग तो नहीं हो सकता मैम ऑब्वियसली,
है ना, तो वो आपको मिल जाएगा। और एक यहाँ पे एडवर्स और अवर्स तो हमने अभी किया है
अभी क्या है।
ना। ठीक है, ग्रेट।
Ma'am, done.
Yeah, okay. Let's wait for a few seconds. Okay, so what do you think is the answer?
A.
Okay, what about others?
Yes, ma'am. A.
A, okay. Rest of you? क्या मार्क किया बाकी सबने?
A only.
ग्रेट, आंसर भी ए ही है. ठीक
Ma'am,
है.
but can we discuss the options?
सॉरी.
Can we
हाँ, I'll do that. बट आई एम ग्लैड अभी probably आपको समझ में आने लगा है कि कैसे करना है इसको. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन में what do you mean by diffuse? DE.
Bulb वाला concept and this, I think.
Diffuse basically fuse का opposite.
Fuse का opposite, yeah.
Right, or diffuse is spreading over a large area, right?
Yes, ma'am. To basically lower the tension or kind of thing, or yeah, spreading over a large area. Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Spreading
Okay.
the ideas. Yes.
Right.
Yes,
So diffuse, तो यहाँ पे तो diffuse होगा. Right. अब दूसरा है students baited, BAITED या BATED. BAIT is to deliberately annoy. ठीक है. And obviously यहाँ पे तो deliberately annoy ही आएगा. और BATE bait का मतलब होता है to reduce the force या किसी चीज की intensity को reduce करना. तो यहाँ पे first आएगा.
Yes.
Okay. Then you have the dash rushed into the campus. So
what is DE वाला, ma'am? So,
DE वाला large group
means
of
a group होता
people.
है. Yes.
और HOARD वाला है hoarding वाला.
Hoarding वाला. Yes, ma'am.
Hoarding basically to basically when you store या occupy a lot of things, right?
Hoarding of basically food and all that. So.
हाँ हाँ. ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद आता है आपका ये
The prisoners period is, मैम, उसको internment बोलते हैं. Interment नहीं बोलते हैं.
हाँ, वो internment होता है. ठीक है. और इंटरमेंट भी आपका एक वर्ड है, उसका मतलब होता है द एक्ट ऑफ एंटरिंग, बेसिकली बरिंग. फिर आपका आता है द हॉकी टीम कुड नॉट डील विद हिज अनसोशेबल टेंडेंसीज या अनसोशल टेंडेंसीज आपकी होती हैं अनसोशेबल.
Yes.
हाँ. सो
What's the
अनसोशेबल
meaning of internment?
किसका?
Internment, ma'am. You said internment means burial and
वो जो
intern is basically the act of interning someone या फिर let's say
उसको period of prisoners is sentence में, it means basically the sentence period. The sentence period, that's what it means.
हाँ, मतलब it's a legal term.
It's a legal term. Internment basically जितना जैसे 4 साल का punishment दिया है, तो it's like the 4 साल is the internment period. That's called as internment. And that came to an end
और
with his
ये
release. तो वो 2 साल में निकल गया.
ये वर्ड एक्चुअली आपका आता है इंटर्न से.
Yes.
INTERN intern से.
हाँ.
Okay. Okay. Now do this. ये भी vocabulary से related है. Vocabulary हाँ इसमें grammar भी use में आ जाएगी.
Done now.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. So what is the answer?
D,
Which one?
D for dog.
Okay. What about others?
No, I think A.
No, I think it's D itself.
ओके सो इन क्वेश्चंस में एक चीज जो आपको याद रखनी है वो ये जनरली हम क्या करते हैं हमने सेंटेंस पढ़ना शुरू किया फिर उसके बाद वी जस्ट लुक एट द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट एंड देन वी आंसर द क्वेश्चन बट दैट्स नॉट really how you should be doing it. Okay, so you should look at both the blanks and then answer the question. So I think many of you made this mistake, right? So it's basically as navigators, calendar makers, and other what scrutinizers of the sky hoga ya observers of the sky hoga.
Observers, ma'am.
Ma'am, I believe that
Navigators, calendar makers, and other observers होगा ना. We always
But
observe the sky, not
my according, ma'am, I think it can be scrutinized because there's accumulating evidence. So scrutinize like examining something, and that's when you accumulate evidence, right? I don't know.
I think it will be observe and then उसमें
हाँ,
भी
Because it's talking about astronomers, so usually they observe, right?
observe
right.
and
So
also ancient
sky
astronomers.
observers होते हैं तो यहाँ पर observers होगा फिर हमें agree और concede के बीच में decide करना है.
Ma'am, it will be concede because ancient astronomers forced to concede लिखते हैं ma'am usually rather than forced to agree लिखते हैं. I guess I don't know. It's
Yeah,
just
so
a fast-stressed idea that I thought. I mean, so usually
yes,
we write concede with when we write for forced to. So yeah. Yes.
so it's basically concede is to acknowledge or agree hesitatingly.
Yes. Ma'am.
So forced to concede.
Yes.
Okay, that's why it's D. This one. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Not audible?
You are audible, no?
Yeah. Okay. Tell me.
Ma'am, I think uh, it will be ma'am A.
Yes, ma'am. I think A.
Ma'am, when we say like the, can we
And
discuss,
you are
ma'am?
right.
Yeah.
Okay.
10,
Next.
10x. Analogy.
Yeah, let's do analogy on another day because I think Shahid sir is waiting for your reasoning class, right? कोई reasoning की class भी है ना?
We still have.
Yes, ma'am.
No, I think at 3:37.
3:30 से है हाँ, it's
Yeah.
already
Yes.
3:40.
Yes, ma'am. He's waiting.
Okay, guys. So please carry on with your class.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. It was
Thank you,
fun today.
ma'am.
Fun class.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Bye.
Yeah, ma'am.